Hi folks, this is Jan.Paul and this is our Princeton floor plan. This house is ready to go. It's just finishing up its construction for our year-end availability. It is 28011 Cary Court. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage, 2245 square feet under air. The price of this gorgeous home was $565, $388, and it is on sale for $523.96. with 10 grand towards closing costs. That's over a $44,000 savings. Guys, let's go take a look at this great home. We're gonna pop in here. It's a 3-car garage, which gives you all that extra storage space that you definitely need here in Florida. As we walk in, we're gonna see that we have Ring doorbell. We've partnered with Amazon. You're gonna have a Wi-Fi certified home. We do have a WAP installed in the ceiling. Great entry. As you come in, you can see all the way through the pool. This here is going to be, well, you could use it as your dining space if you wanted to, but it's lovely. You're going to have 1 bedroom over through here. This is your guest bathroom. Very nice, all tiled. Front bedroom. So the plank flooring throughout the house is an upgrade. Your paint, we always use Sherwin-Williams, some of the best paint there is. And this is agreeable gray. All of your rounded corners are standard with Lennar. This is called bullnose, so that is a great, nice feature. You're gonna have your crown molding in all of your main areas and in your master and master bathroom. You're gonna see that you have a beautiful tray ceiling, and the molding inside, of course, is standard with us, so that is a great feature. Back through here, for ease of in and out of the home, you're gonna have your laundry room. This is going to be your storage closet. You will have a washer dryer. It's nice that you have a tub right here, right next to your washer and dryer. And let's take a look at this massive garage. How great is that? And those floors are standard. They come with a snakeskin epoxy paint on them. Really, really nice garage. So we're going to pop back this way, folks. This is the 4th bedroom. You could use it as a den if you wanted to, but it's got great space for anybody that's visiting, or if you need that quiet space for an extra TV room. Here's your kitchen. So this is nice open concept in here. You're gonna have a nice big living room. Nice that you have the plug right there on the floor. You'll have everything mounted so you can go and put your TVs up. Another view. So you will have a refrigerator, it's just not here yet. All of your appliances built in. Your fridge has a Keurig coffee maker in it. It's nice, you can use K-cups. These are upgraded hazelnut cabinets. Your storage is in through here for your pantry, and it's all wood shelves. Nice little dinette and an extra door to go outside. It brings in some more light. Let's go see that master real quick before we go see that beautiful pool. Nice big master. Again, the tile follows through. All of the blinds are standard with Lennar, folks. So you get blinds on all of your windows, just not the sliders, because everybody's a little different. Look at that closet. Look how big that closet is. Huge, huge walk-in closet. This here is going to be your bathroom, double sinks. And there's the hazelnut cabinets, follows through everywhere. You got your nice soaking tub, big shower, very comfortable. Bathroom pantry right here. Nice big closet. Put some stuff in it there. And then again, your water closet right there. So let's go see what everybody wants to see. We're just finishing up this house, filling the pool with water. Okay. So here you go, folks. Great pool, nice outdoor kitchen. This is all Bull equipment. Vents up and out. You're gonna have your outdoor refrigerator also, which is great. And then you have that a little bit of a nice oversized deck because these houses are a little bit wider. Pool, hot tub. This is going to be facing easterly. You're gonna be having your sun in your pool. And then eventually right here where I'm standing under your roof line, it'll be nice and shaded for your entertaining. There's gonna be another street going right in back here where that green grass is. It's actually gonna be one more street of single family homes. And beyond that, you'll have some condos, and then the clubhouse is back over on the side. So really close to everything. So you will be looking back at other homes, which is perfectly fine. You got lots of space there and you're on water. And then as you can see, the foliage down here grows very, very fast. Lots of privacy. All right, one more shot inside just so you can kind of get a peek. So this is nice. You got the pass-through there, brings in more light, put a pretty chandelier. And folks, this is my Princeton 28011 Cary Court, 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage. $565 was the price. It's on sale for $520. Give Jan.Paul a call, 239-464-5288. Thanks and have a great day.